In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make lined paper in Google Docs. Whether you're jotting down notes, keeping track of tasks, or simply love the aesthetic of lined paper, creating it digitally can be both efficient and satisfying. And the best part? It's super simple once you know a few key tricks. First, let's open a new Google Doc where we'll be creating our lined paper. Once you're there, you'll want to move your eyes to the top of the screen and go to the Insert menu option. It's typically located near the top left. Once you click on Insert, you'll see a drop-down menu appear, and from here, we'll select Table. This is where the magic begins. Choose to make a one-by-one table. Essentially, it's just a single cell at this point, but don't worry, we'll be transforming it shortly. After the table appears on your page, we're going to make some adjustments to turn it into lines. This involves removing the borders on the sides so only the horizontal lines remain. To do this, click on the left border of your table. You'll notice an option that allows you to adjust the border width. Go ahead and click Border Width and then set it to 0 points. This makes the border disappear. Immediately follow the same steps for the right border. Again, change it to 0 points. And just like that, you're starting to see the shape of your lined paper. Next, we'll need more lines to extend down the page. To achieve this, click inside the cell of your table. Look for the Insert Row Below feature, which should be fairly easy to find once you've selected the cell. Click on it, and you'll duplicate the line as another row right below the original. Simply repeat this process until you've filled the page with as many lines as you need. Each time, click Insert Row Below to add another line. Keep going until you've reached your desired number of lines, creating a fully lined page. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've transformed a blank Google Doc into lined paper. This process is excellent for anyone looking to add a structured notebook feel to their digital notes or documents. Feel free to customize even further by adjusting the table design to suit your style. If you found this tutorial helpful, do let us know by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more handy tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.